Thank you so much. Yeah, you guys are so nice. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming out for these Old Tucson Market Night. Good to see you. Got Jim on the bass. My name's Greg Moore. I'll introduce us here. If you missed the first set, I'll tell you who we are in just a few minutes. That tune there is one I recorded with Mark O'Connor, a young fiddle player who's turned out to be an amazing classical and champion fiddle player. We wrote a tune called Picking in the Wind. We recorded that back in 1974, and I'm glad you guys like that one. Nice little melody to that. All right, here's one. I like to play this one. It's one that Kenny Baker, the fiddle player with Bill Monroe, wrote this tune. It's called Jerusalem's Ridge, and I hope you like it. Hey, thank you so much. Man, you guys are so much fun. All right. Okay, so I'll tell you, the gentleman here, he didn't want me to talk to him about things. He has no ego, and I'm proud of him for that. But we've been playing together for 21 years coming up now. But he also plays with the Kingston Trio. Yeah. You guys remember the Kingston Trio? They great songs all through the 50s and 60s and 70s all the way now. But he's on tour with the Kingston Trio most of the time now. And we get together and play like Little Abner's and different places around town together when he's in town. And I'm so proud of him. He's the best bass player in the whole Southwest. And he writes his own songs, a great singer, guitar player. How about a big hand for Mr. Jim Stanley?
Thank you. But this guy here, Greg Morton, playing the guitar, he's the real star of our show. When he was this big, he was playing with Bill Monroe, who's the father of bluegrass, Mother Maybelle Carter, Ralph Stanley. Everyone you can think of in bluegrass, Greg has played with, along with his twin brother who plays the banjo. Give it up for Greg Morton.
Thank you so much. Well, I'm going to call Jim to sing a real pretty song here. It's one that Kevin Welsh wrote this tune. It's one called Something About You, and I hope you like it.
Well, I don't want nobody, I'm better left alone. Sworn to independence, my heart is made of stone, but you're breaking on through. There's something about you. Well, I've been tapping my toes through the way you talk. I've been singing along when I watch the way you walk. Honey, I gotta do something about you. Well, I've got this place of mine, it's nice and quiet and I like it fine. Well, I work real hard, got no time for you. And I've whiskeyed up my coffee cup, sitting here trying not to call you up. Getting to where I don't know what to do. Oh, there's something about you, yeah. Something about you like distant thunder. I can't wait, I ain't been wrong. But there's no delta there for under. On the telephone. Oh, there's something about you, yeah, and I can't take. Something about you that's been keeping me awake, honey, I gotta do something about you. Well, I've got this place of mine, it's nice and quiet and I like it fine. Work really hard, got no time for you. And I've whiskeyed up that coffee cup, sitting here trying not to call you up. Getting away, I don't know what to do. Oh, there's something about you, yeah, something about you.
Thank you. Jim Stanley.